Alright, so here we are again, only we're now into the lower garden. And when I planted this, I had just kind of gotten the bug because I saw how this grew. And so I got the bug and I had all this land and I said, okay, I'll plant some more. So down here I got some more peas going. And then more cilantro. It's getting near ready even. More basil. Those came out from seed. More radishes. Those were stray radishes from over there. And kind of funny how they grew. Alright. This way. Now we've got mustard greens. And I guess when I planted these that the seeds kind of drifted over, or I wasn't paying attention or something, and I've got cauliflower all mixed in with my mustard. So I'm going to figure out what I have to do tomorrow to get these cauliflower in more sun so they'll grow better. Alright, I got some scrawny little onions over here. Some more kind of scrawny little onions over here. These are young. And then I've got spinach that I'm going to harvest in the morning. The outer leaves, and then this should produce for quite a while. And here's some hardier onions. These ones are wetter, so they're growing bigger and they'll be sweeter. This here's garlic. I have a new sprout coming up with garlic. Planted them all at the same time. It's kind of funny. This is a little pepper plant, bell pepper plant that came out. I planted a lot of them in here, and it just doesn't get much sun. But this is an artichoke. I also have one in the back garden that I forgot to show you. And then I moved some dirt so I could channel some water. And I found another artichoke growing right here. Just found that today. And over here I got more garlic. And tomatoes. And these are tomatoes that I found underneath the squash that I had planted from seed, and I didn't expect them to grow or anything. And one day I looked under the squash and I found 6 tomato plants. And I'll take you down here. This is one of them. And then this is my big one. And then number 3. Number 4. I didn't expect many of these to make it. And this one actually didn't make it. It actually died. And then the other day I noticed there it was. It popped up. Nothing's allowed to die in this garden. It's great. Alright, this is eggplant. And with the eggplant I've got some blossoms going there. This very happy eggplant with the exception of the leaf that broke a long time ago. Finally turned brown. Alright, and this is an indigo rose tomato plant that I also bought in Carson City. And unfortunately, we had to take it out of our truck because it would have been too hot in there, and the deer got it and munched it. Munched it. So, there you go. Down over here, I've got buttercup squash. And buttercup squash is a climber, so it's going to go up the fence. And as you can see, some of it's getting really big. So, I'm trying to train it So it'll all go up the fence there. Then down over here, I've got 36 cantaloupe plants. I will have cantaloupe this year, and the kids won't get it all. They won't get it all. I also planted some more beans down in here, and the beans are just starting to pop up. And this here is my raspberry. Birds pooped on it, but it's looking good. And then these are the purple grapes. And I know they look crazy, but they're a miracle grape. Miracle, they're here, and I'm glad I have them. They're the best. Alright, then we got some flowers planted along here, and then I have my flowering blackberry here. Very, very happy. And more flowers. And here's a orange flower that the deer got. I have lots more marigolds in here. And here's another real pretty little flower that the deer, they did get a lot of it. This here was all covered in flowers. So anyways, it was beautiful. It will be again. So there you go. There is the lower part of my garden.